The Armed Forces of the Philippines has officially declared Captain Clinton Longbas Capio as a hero following the encounter of the military and Abu Sayyaf bandits in Basilan, which took his life. Capio is a member of PMA Class 2006. The military operations in Sumisip, Basilan was aimed at killing the suspected Abu Sayyaf leaders residing in the said province. Currently, the AFP is verifying if the two High Valley targets of their operation were already killed.
Ating tinitingnan at inaalam ang katotohanan ay meron pong dalawang high-value targets na maaring namatay ayon sa intelligence report na nakuha natin na nanduroon pa sa site kung saan nangyari ang engkwentrong ito. Ang pagpapatunay dito ay simula na mangyari ang bakbakan, mga 7:30 ng umaga, umabot po ito ng masidhing bakbakan sa hanggang alas 10 ng umaga kung saan ayun din ang malamang na oras kung kailan nasawi si Captain Capio.